Position for the cluster 1, cluster 3 rather. Here comes jersey number 1. Ito na yung unang action. Kaldagan sa ilalim. De Leon, intercepted. Ito yung defense ng cluster 6 now. Here comes jersey number 2, Manuyag. In control against number 1. Here comes number 2, isolation. Here comes the screen. Cross-court pass now. Jersey number 21. 40 seconds on the shot clock. Now, recover na Mr. number 28, Paule. Unang rebound ni Mr. Paule sa ating first quarter. Here comes number 17, Luis Sabado. Bring down the letter jersey number 17 to Mr. Kernel Ochoa. Laser up is too strong. Rebound. Ito sa Mr. number 14, Aguilar. Ito medyo sumisikip yung depensa sa 2 or die match. Ito na yung number 35, Woodpecker si Mr. Ronquillo. KD Ronquillo. First 2 point in the ball game. Manggagaling kay Mr. Ronquillo. Balik tayo sa kabila si Mr. Sabado. Here comes jersey number 17 now. 16 on a shot clock. Kernel Ochoa, inside pass, almost stab. Recover na Mr. jersey number 28, Makaspag. Looking for the main counter, number 2 now. Number 2, Manuyag Correde. Crossing to the mid guard. Hintay muna ng kakampi, sabi ni Mr. Manuyag. And a between the legs dribble. Here comes, and a whistle blow tayo. That's an offensive foul. May tulak. That's a push on you, Mr. number 2. First on you, Mr. number 2. Maganda yung separation pero nahawi ng bahagya si Mr. Jersey number 2. Ito si Mr. number 1 nung nakaraan na. Unang 4 na minuto, biglang bumomba ng puntusan yung number 1. Ito si Mr. De Leon, mabibitawan. Turnaround, rejected and a good defense of Mr. Jersey number 21. Shot lag is good. 10 seconds on a shot lag for the Cluster 3. Cluster 3, 10 seconds on a shot lag. Down to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and reset and a big rebound. Number 23. That's a whistle blow and a basket is counted. May kasama pang foul. He draws a foul on number 28. Pushing foul number 28. First personal foul. Basket is good at number 3, Kernel Ochoa. Tingnan natin yung bonus shot on jersey number 3. Completely on jersey number 3, Kernel Ochoa. Now on jersey number 2 for the cluster 6. Bring down the leather outlet to Mr. number 35. And a crossover down the lane. Pull away shot. Rejected. And a good defense. Ito na yung transition. And a foot race. Given go to Mr. number 1. Lazy pass. Turnover ang inabot ng ating cluster 3 sa ating transition. Balik naman tayo kay Mr. number 14. Sabi ni Mr. number 14. Sige sir, patang binyan yung bola. Baka lubing bola. Reserve ka na lang dyan, idol. 7 minutes and 38 now. Here comes number 2. Number 35. In control. Here comes number 14. Aguilar. Mabibitawan. 14 seconds on a shot line. Here comes number 14 again. 12 seconds to shoot. Inside pass. Intercepted Mr. number 26. De Leon. Outlet touchdown pass. Pumping. Up and under. Extra pass. Number 22. Tapikan. Shot leg is good on Mr. number 1. 20 seconds on a shot line to Mr. number 1 again. Long is now. Recover to Mr. number 21, Herga. Exactly 7:07 remaining for the first quarter. Manuyag pa rin. Isolation. Baseline drive. Spin. Na depends on. Outlet pass. 12 to shoot. Down to 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. Pabandang tira na agad. Tapikan. Recover to Mr. number 26. Eto. Nag-iisa na lang. Si Mr. number 1. Sinspire muna tayo, maagang timeout. Puntos ang Osmeña pero sa pangalawang laro, ito medyo dikit yung depensa. Ito si Mr. number 2, Manuyag. Ball fake, kick out again, number 28. Longes, 3-3-3. Ito yung shooting form ni Mr. number 28. Unang bomba sa behind the arc ni Mr. number 28. Kumonekta agad si Mr. number 28, Makaspaga. I-score natin, deadlock tayo. Now, saktong may tawid yung bola. 17 seconds on a shot clock. Now, Mr. number 17 now. 14 seconds on a shot clock. Back to Mr. number 26. And a ball fake. 11 seconds on a shot clock. Down to 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a 24 seconds violation. 24 seconds violation. Sideline even for the cluster 6. Ito sa kabila naman, tingnan natin. Balik tayo sa kabila si jersey number 35. Inside pass sa Mr. number 21. Puts out of his nail. Recover on jersey number 28. Ito si Mr. Woody Woodpecker. 11 on a shot line. Next down the 2 points of Mr. number 35. 5:36 remaining. Mr. Luis Sabado to Kernel Ochoa, number 3, top of the key. 40 to shoot. Now jersey number 1. 12 to shoot. Keep and go. Lays it off. Hey, that's a whistle blow. That's a pushing foul. He draws a foul on number 28. Number 28, pangalawa mo na yun para Mr. number 28. Pangatlong team foul.
Sino yung 28?
38 pare, 38.
First is negative. Pag pumasok yan, rep, meron tayong substitution. Hindi pumasok. Recover for the cluster 6 now. Tingnan natin si Mr. Sanggalang number 4 to the main gunner number 2. Top of the gig. Ito yung baseline drive ni Mr. number 35. He throws a foul. Foul on jersey number 28. Sabo na tayo. 28. Bakas pack out. First on you, Mr. Paul, for the cluster 3. First team foul. Five minutes 11. 2 shots number 35. First one. Tama.
Makita yung score sa pwesto mo dito.
Pumasok yung dalawa para kami sa Rongelio. Intrusive again ni Mr. The Electric Man. Balik kay Mr. number 17. Here comes jersey number 17, Luis Sabado. Iniwanan yung tatlo. Cross court pass, inside pass. Give it go number 1. Ito yung number 26. Still. Recover number 28 to Mr. number 26. One big and a basket. Mike kasama pang foul on Mr. number 26. Dalawang foul on number 21. Not 26 water. 21. First on you, Mr. Erga, pare ha. Bonus shot on Mr. Jersey number 26, De Leon. Ready jumper, both teams. Shooters bounce. 9-8. Under 5 minutes, 4:53 remaining. Number 2 now, Mr. Manuyag. Isolation, attacking the baseline. Runner, that's a whistle blow sa ilalim. 2 shots tayo for the continuation. Who's foul rep? Committed foul on number 28. Hacking foul on you, Mr. number 28. Number 28 out. Second personal foul, second team foul for the cluster 3. 2 shots, number 2. Nadali lang rin. Sige pare. Marami siya dyan kadwan. Idol na. Let's see the first attempt on jersey number 2, Manuyag.
Yes.
Hindi kumukonekta yung ating free throw line for the cluster 6. Pag pumasok yan, rep, meron tayong sub. Sino par? Number 4. Out ka muna, Mr. number 4. Now jersey number 1, the playmaker for the cluster 3, looking for his teammate, asking for the ball, number 20, TV5, attacking the baseline, not deny na bahagya, give and go, Delawon, laser up and in. Ito kinakaldag sa ilalim ni Mr. Delawon yung defense ng ating cluster 3, the Electric Man, pass to the wrong guy, si Mr. number 20, Nagi to Mr. Sabado Night Sabado, here comes number 17 in the backfield, looking for his teammate, inside pass, Colonel Ochoa, pumping, up and under, mabibitawan, ito, agawan ng buko sa ilalim, agawan, Cluster 6 tayo, idol. Jumbo ba tayo? Cluster 6 tayo. Cluster 6 eh. Balik tayo kay jersey number 2. Here comes the receiver. Dalawa lang sila, di nag-aamuyan si Mr. number 22 and Mr. number 35. Pareho kasi yung posisyon na nilalaro ni Mr. Roque. And jersey number 35, Ronquillo. Balik naman tayo sa kabila. Tingnan natin yung diskarte ni Mr. Number 1. Wala pang naitatalang puntos. Meron na 2 puntos si Mr. Number 1. Makasback. Isolation. Leaving the defense in a scoop shot. Hinagis na lang. Pero excellent lucky bounce sa jersey number 1. Makasback. 12-10 score natin. Change favor. Lamang ng dalawa ang ating cluster 3 sa ating first quarter. Now in control of Mr. Jersey number 2 Manuyag looking for the isolation. Signaling on Mr. Erga. Back to jersey number 35. 15 seconds on a shot clock. Here comes number 35 now to Mr. number 22. 11 seconds to shoot. Corner shot. Perimeter. Too strong. Here comes the number 3 for the rebound. 3 minutes and 30. Now jersey number 17. Number 17, Sabado. In control. Balik tayo kay Mr. Nagit. Asking for the ball. Looking for the give and go. 13 seconds on a shot clock. Number 17 now. Down to 11. 10. 9. 8. Intercept ni jersey number 22. Ito na si Mr. number 22. Roque, dinaanan lang yung depensa. Basic nga lang naman yan ni Mr. number 22. Reserve ka, idol, ha? Traveling. Tingnan natin yung pressure defense ni Mr. Electric Man. Nasa referee pa yung bola, pare ko. Mr. Electric Man. Naibigay na, pare ko, ha? Sadali lang, dyan ka muna. Naibigay na, pare. Ito, sa kabila naman tayo si Mr. number 17. In control of Mr. number 17, Sabado. Ito si Mr. number 25. Inside pass. Gustong makatawan. Agaw ni jersey number 21. Ito si Mr. jersey number. That's a foul. Number 20. Erga, out ka muna, pare. Number 20. First zone yung Mr. number 20. 13 foul. Now jersey number 22, Roque. Tap up tayo to Mr. number 35, Ronquillo. Asking for a pick. Here comes the pick on the Mr. number 47. Good pa rin niya, launches. That's a long two now. Recover Mr. number 20. Back to Mr. the playmaker number 17, Sabado Night. Bring down the ladder. Transition now. Here comes number 17 down the lane. Rejected Mr. number 35. That's a good defense of Mr. Ro. Woody with back an outlet pass. Ito na naman si Mr. number 22, Roque Bumanga. That's a traveling. That's a good goal. That's a traveling. That's a traveling. Ocho, out ka muna. Sabo na tayo.
Ayaw nang pakawalan si Eddie. Tingnan mo, oh. Ay, nangyayakap, oh.
Ito na si jersey number 17. Sabado. To the tower of power, number 26. Crossover na iwanan. That's a whistle blow. Committed the foul on. Number 22, penalty tayo, rep. Team foul number 5.
Minamahal ka na nung 17.
First one on jersey number 26. Mintis nga lang yung unang attempt ni Mr. number 26 for the 15-foot line. Last throw, Rainy Jumper.
Hindi ko nga makita.
Dalawang minintes ni Mr. jersey number 26. Inaalat yata si Mr. De Leon for the 15-foot line. Deadlock pa rin tayo sa 12 all at 2 minutes exactly. Here comes number 22. Umararo sa gilid. Na-depensahan. Inagawan lang ni Mr. Luis Sabado. Now, looking for the Leicester 3 basketball. Last that's on you, Mr. number 22, Roque. 1 minute and 53 seconds. In control of jersey number 17, Luis Sabado. Isolation against number 35, Ronquillo. Here comes the screen on jersey number 2 now. Nagit Pareda. Now leaving the defense. 14 seconds on a shot line. Number 20, TB5. Using the body. 10 down on a shot line. Number 26, 8 to shoot. Down to 7. Rejected. Same ball tayo. 6 seconds on a shot clock. 6 seconds on a shot clock. 6 seconds.
Tignan mo to, ang kulit to. Ay!
Sandali lang.
Ayan, kasi.
6 seconds on a shot clock. 6 seconds. 5, 4, and an easy basket. Knockout play. Paboritong set play ng ating cluster 3 yun. Familiar moves. Number 26. Looking for the pick and roll. Ito yung number 35. Umararo bigla. Nadulas ng bahagya. Laser up daw. Nandun yung whistle blow sa ilalim. That's a foul on. Who's foul, rep? Pushing foul. Sino, pare? Number 47, penalty tayo. Pushing foul yung itinawag. Number 47, first personal foul on yung Mr. number 47. Team foul number 6 na yan. Unang personal foul. Penalty tayo, idol. Sabo na tayo. Number 1 out, number 80. Number 4 out. Number 22.
Asan ba? Ayun. Kamay.
Official score natin, pare, 14-12. First one on Mr. number 20 is good. Mr. Nugget score 15-12. Tatlo na yung kalamangan ng ating cluster 3 sa ating first quarter.
First pa din.
Last draw. Vintis nga lang, big rebound on jersey number. Si Mr. Paule. Sa kabila naman, the playmaker. Muntik nang mabitawan ni Mr. Ronquillo yung outlet pass ni Mr. Manuyag. Looking for his teammate now, Mr. Manuyag. Looking for the isolation. Looking for the inside pass. Back to jersey number 2. Logis, no. Recover. That's a reset. 53 seconds. Game clock. 53 seconds. 53 seconds. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Here it comes now for the receiver number 2 now. 10 down on the shot clock. Runner, pabanda ng Mr. number 17. 44 seconds. Now number 26. Pass to the number 20 to Mr. number 17. Sakto lang na itawid. 16 seconds on the shot clock. Here comes number 17. Baseline drive. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Almost intercepted.
Sayang.
Kaninong bola? Leicester. 6 basketball. 23, 22, 21, 20 seconds, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 5 seconds, 5 seconds, traveling, 5 seconds, game clock, 5 seconds, game clock. 4, 3, 2, 1. 14 seconds, same ball tayo. 14 seconds. Fourteen seconds to shoot it. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, and a perimeter shot on number 26. Ito yung gustong-gusto ng Mr. number 26, yung mga crunch time, yung mga banggaan sa loob ng court. Balik naman tayo kay jersey number 2, Manuyag. Looking for the kick out to Mr. Electric Man number 17, Foul. Kick out to Mr. number 3, Sanggalang now. Here comes Sanggalang. Kick out again to Mr. number 2 and a ball pig. 11 seconds on a shot like rejected. Ito shot like is good. Recover na jersey number. Ito agawan. And that's a jam ball. Out of possession na 10. Cluster 6. Saan muna tayo? Number 3 out muna tayo. Saan muna tayo, rep? Number 3 out. Shot like is reset to 14. Meron tayong jump ball. Shot like is reset. In control on jersey number 17. Foul now. 12 seconds on the shot like down to 11. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Shot like is reset. Tapikan. Erga for the putback again. Number 21.
Kulit nito oh.
Foul on number 17. Saan muna tayo, rep? Number 17 out. First team foul. First on you, Mr. number 17. Press 24 shot lock pa rin. Nanggaling yung foul dun sa backcourt. Inbound on jersey number 17. Here comes number 17, foul against Mr. Manuyag, yung dalawang matinik na point guard ng ating dalawang kupunan. Here comes the screen, asking for the receiver. Shot like is good at 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Recover of Mr. Jersey number 15. Number 35, Ronquillo. That's a whistle roll. Dalawa yung tumawag. Foul on number 12. Hacking foul on you, Mr. number 12. Sabi na tayo, rep, number 17. For the cluster 3. Pahabol, rep. Number 12 out. Number 12 out.
Say, nabibidyo ba? Ayan o.
First one on jersey number 35. 17 all score natin. Pagkakataon baka labang ang ating cluster 6 sa ating huling free throw miss number 35 Ronquillo. 18-17 score. Ito yung isolation. Humihigpit na yung depensa. Tingnan natin. Isolation again jersey number 2 now. Here comes the screen. 14 seconds on a shot clock. Intercepted down Mr. number 22. Outlet pass to Mr. Jersey number 2. Andun yung depensa ni Sershap Ocampo. Now number 8. Cross court. Almost intercepted. Recover to Mr. number 18. Recover to Mr. number 1 now. Ball fake. Jump step. Kick out. Here comes number 8. Launches. That's away of the mark.
Sayang.
That's out of bounds. That's out of bounds on jersey number 8. Balik ang possession for the cluster. 6. Balik tayo kay jersey number 35. Back to the playmaker number 2. Eto na, nag-iba yung position ni Mr. number 35. Nung nakaraan, playmaker ngayon. Nagre-receive na lang sa ilalim pa tayo. Sabi ni Rep, committed a foul on jersey number 26. First on you, Mr. De Leon. Second team foul. Sabo na tayo, Rep. Number 26 out ka muna, Mr. De Leon. Out ka muna. First personal foul on you, Mr. De Leon. Second team foul. Ito, yung recovery Mr. number 35. Almost loses. Here comes number 35 down the lane. Negative. Hindi tumama yung shot like it's good at 6. 5. And a whistle blow and the basket is counted. Make a 7th foul. Who's foul, Rep? Foul on number 3. Number 3. Si Mr. Major. First on you. First pa lang.
Dapat na siya.
First personal foul pa lang.
Kakay mo!
Ito si jersey number 2 for the bonus shot score. 21-17. Ganun lang talaga si Sir Boji. Talagang nag-ano lang yan. Ito, 7-38. Alam na alam kasi ni Sir Boji kung anong gagawin ng number 3. Ito si Mr. number 8 from downtown. Now, tapikan na cover ng jersey number 21. Erga po rin to Mr. number 22. Roque. Brings out the letter of Mr. Roque. Here comes Roque. Dumire-diretso. That's a foul on number 20. Hacking foul. Second personal foul number 20. O ito, apat na team foul. Yan. Apat na team foul na ang ating cluster 3. Pero yung foul ni TV5, second personal foul. 2 shots, number 22, Paul Roque. First attempt, number 22 is negated. Pag pumasok yung pangalawa rep, meron tayong substitution. 7:21 niya pa par. 7:21.
Wala.
Hindi pumasok. Recovery jersey number 18 now. Si Mr. Diwa. Triple team agad. To Kernel Ochoa to Mr. number 20. Nugget against jersey number 47. AK-47 crossing to the mid-corner. Saktong na ito with 16 seconds on the shot clock. Number 1 looking for an isolation. 14 down on the shot clock. Down to 13. 12. 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6 and a whistle blow. Sandali lang pare. And a whistle blow. Sagli pare. Who's foul pare? Foul on number 35. Pushing foul. Sabi na tayo. Number 35. Number 47. KD out ka muna Mr. Ronquillo and Mr. Aguilar.
Sabi sa'yo eh.
First on you pare Mr. Ronquillo pare. Second team foul Osmeña. 6:59. 2 shots number 18 Diwa. Let's see the first one on jersey number 18. First attempt na Mr. Diwa is negative. 21-17 score, officially score. 21-17. With this guy lang, tapikan sa ilalim, recover ni Mr. Money on the bank, number 21. In control for the cluster 6. To Mr. The Electric Man, si Mr. Paul. Looking for the isolation against Ocampo. Cross-court pass. 15 seconds on a shot clock. Crossover. Down the lane, using the body. Looking for the whistle blow, sabi ni Mr. Rep. That's a traveling. Nag-shuffle yung pivot ni Idol.
Score.
6:40. Isang timeout na lang kayo, pare, for the first half, ha. Isang timeout, ha. Both teams, isang timeout. Kararating mo lang kasi, Mr. Kura. Baka hindi mo lang nalalaman, pare. Ito si jersey number 1 against jersey number 17. Here comes number 17. Kick out pass. Number 8. Mabibitawan. Give and go. Nandun yung outlet. Fast. Sakto na naman. Ito yung one-on-one. Tingnan natin. Dahil ay kick out. Yes, sir. Timeout. Cluster 3. Biglang nagbago yung momentum, nag-shift yung momentum sa ating ball game 2 or die match cluster 3 and cluster 6 now. Kung sinong aangat sa championship round. Here comes on number 2. Give and go! Yun yung butas sa depensa. Bigla. High-low play on Mr. number 17. Maganda yung dinisenyo ni Mr. number 17 kay Rudder, Mr. Kura. Dun sa timeout. 23-19 is score. Now number 28. 40 seconds on the shot clock. Here comes number 2. Back to Mr. number 28. 11 seconds on the shot clock. Kick out pass. Down to 9 seconds. 8, 7, 6. Gandang bigayan sa ilalim. Unselfish basketball yung pinapakita ngayon. Ngayong gabi ng ating cluster 6. Kung nakaraan tambakol, sabi ni Mr. Manliklik. Ngayon, lamang naman sila ng 6 na puntos 20. Rather, 6 na po 25 na yan, pare. Ito si Mr. number 26. Laser up and in. May kasama pang foul. He draws a foul on. Again, number 21, Herga. Number 21, second on you, Mr. Herga. Third team foul. $5:19 remaining. Ito yung bonus ni Mr. number 26. It's good on Mr. number 26. Score 22-25. 5:19 pa tayo, pare. 5:19. 3 puntos ang naghihiwalay sa dalawang kupunan. Ito si Mr. Jersey number 2 Manuyag. Looking for the ISO. Outlet pass to his teammate number 28. The trigger man now. Bakas back down the lane. Hand off. 15-foot line jumper. Money on the back. Jersey number 21. Herga. Basic basketball fundamentals on jersey number 21. Here comes number 1. The Slosser. The Asasi. Lays it off. No. Tapikan. Nandun yung recover na Mr. number 26 for the putback. Timeout muna tayo. Kung huling timeout for the... Pialong ka rin na, Mr.
Yeah.
Ito na naman. Yung ating cluster 6. In momentum si Mr. number 2. In control. Balik na kay Mr. number 35. Huribut Pekara. Number 35 Ronquillo. 15 on a shot clock. Attacking the baseline. Mabibitawan ni Mr. number 28. Pupunta yung bola. Same ball pa rin tayo. 12 seconds on a shot clock. 12 seconds on a shot clock for the cluster 6. 12 seconds. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, reset, and a lucky downs on jersey number 2, Manuyag 29-24. Ito sa kabila naman, nakaalagwa yung dalawa, laser up and in, unstoppable. Nagulat si Coach Jeriel, ba't nakalusot yun? Pare, sabi ni Mr. Jeriel Sanggalang, 29-26 score, tapyas na naman sa tatlong kalamangan. 17 seconds on a shot clock. Manuyag po rin ang may hawak. Cross-court pass. Intercepted now in a complete steal. Transition. Lamang yung opensya sa depensa. Give and go number 17. Laser up and in. Number 17. And a back-to-back points on Jules for the cluster 3. 28-29. Tapyas na lang sa isang kalamangan. Ito unti-unting tumatawid si Mr. number 2, Manuyaga. Looking for number 28. Panakanak ang puntusan. Asking for a screen. Using the body. Matatapigana. Shot like is good. Ito. Tingnan natin kanino.
Oh, dito na!
Jumbo tayo. Dito. Cluster 3 tayo. 3:34. Mahigpit na labanan sa ating do or die match sa interclasser dito sa Barangay Santa Cruz de Found now number 17 asking for the ball. Ball fake, give and go, dalawa yung Nakapula, rejected with jersey number 3. Shot clock is good now. Down to 10. Ito recovery jersey number 35. Balik tayo Mr. number 1 for the recovery. Third drop shot. 30-29. 3 minutes and 5. Now in jersey number 2 and a crossover down the lane. Teardrop, no. Masyadong malakas. Nandun yung recover ni jersey number 3. Ito na naman yung pass, break pass. Transition offense. Number 26, Pelawon. 2 shots tayo. Committed foul on. Jersey number 7. Hacking foul on you, Mr. number 7.
Anak-anak ini kayo kung sakit. Kaya kakit.
Wala mi siya dyan gado pare. Kung mumuntagin na, kaya kakit. 251 pare, 251. Pag pumasok, meron tayong substitution. Sub muna tayo, rap. Number 7, number 28, Mr. Nagit, out ka muna. O, score natin.
Wala eh.
Balik tayo sa kabila si jersey number 2. In control on jersey number 17. Isolation against Mr. number 28, Paule. Poured into shoot of Mr. Erga. Down the lane, runner. Now reset again. Put back, malakas. Ito yung Mr. number 26 for the defensive rebound. Dalawan pa rin na may hawak. Double team. Siya na yung magtitimon. Looking for his teammate. Cross-court pass. Almost intercepted. Down and complete steal number 35 from Kilio. Now bring down the letter number 35. Outlet to the electric man. Ball pick. Stepping on the gas. Looking for the receiver number 35 now. Cuts into it from deep. No. Recover on jersey number 17. Sabado night. Transition. 3 against 1. Number 28. And off to Mr. number 1. Yes, sir. Jersey number 1. 33-29. Balik tayo sa kabila. Si jersey number 17, foul. Asking for the receiver, si Mr. number 35. 1 minute and 53. 40 seconds on the shot clock. Ito. Reset naman. Ito yung recovery ni Mr. number 26. That's a foul on number 26. Number 26. Second on you. 29. Number 2. Penalty tayo pare. Pushing foul yung tinawag. Penalty tayo. Offensive yan. Kala ko pushing foul pare. Team foul number 5 tayo for the cluster 3. 1 minute and 45. Now in jersey number 2 now. Here comes number 2 down the lane. Ang time shot now. Malakas yung tira ni Mr. Roque. Ito na naman si Mr. Luis Sabado. Looking for his teammate. Set up play. Number 1. Downtown. Si number 1. Pamatay sunog. Yung binitawan ng number 30. Nung number 1. 36-29. Ito na naman si jersey number 35. 40 seconds on the shot clock. The electric man. Masyadong malakas. Nagtatapon ng bola si Mr. number 17. Sayang na pagkakataon. Nandun ang depensa ni Mr. Ronquillo. Tumire-diretso mabibitawan. Ito yung one pick. No. Recovery jersey number 26. Here comes number 17. Outlet fast. Number 1. Bakas back. Down the lane. Recovery Mr. number 22. 56 seconds. Game clock. Number 17. Cross-court pass. Number 27 to Mr. Damari on the bang. No. Ito yung number 35 for the putback. 41 seconds game clock. Number 47. Second on you para penalty tayo. Right, penalty tayo. Osmeña. Penalty. 2 shots tayo. Number 47, second personal foul. So ito, nag-comment si Mr. Bocani, nananamusak ng bites. Sabi ni Mr. Aguilar, 35 seconds game clock tayo, 35 seconds. Sayang yung pagkakataon na yun eh. Ito, pumuntos na, wala sa oras si Mr. number 26. 37-31 score. 35 seconds game clock, 35. Last attempt is negated. Balik tayo kay jersey number 47. Ito na naman si Mr. Roque. Libre si Mr. number 17. Patay ang butiki. Sabi ni Mr. number 17. Same ball pa rin tayo. Shot like is good. 16 pa yung shot clock. 16 ha. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, reset game clock natin. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No.
Another 10 minutes action sa ating two or time match. Ito, si jersey number 17 back to Mr. number 70 now. Number 17 back to jersey number 17. Number 2 to Mr. Manuyag. Lazy pass, turnover agad yung ating first frame. Here comes the jersey number 17 for the Cluster Dream. Sabado night, in control now against number 2. Isolation, looking for his teammate on Mr. number 17. 16 on a shot log on Mr. number 17. Looking for the false move.
grabe, oh.
Down to 14 seconds to Mr. Paul. 15-foot line jumper skid. Kumukonekta na si Mr. Paul sa mga mid-range jumper. 39.
Harap.
31. Balik tayo kay Mr. number 35. Almost loses. Now jersey number 35. Looking for the receiver. 14 on a shot clock. Give and go to Mr. number 35. Pumping. Lays it out there. Recover to Mr. number 26. To the playmaker number 17. Luis Sabado isolation against Electric Man. Here comes number 17 against number 17. Ito na naman yung perimeter ni Mr. number 28 again. Recover pa rin. Sabi ni Mr. Jersey number 2, tama na. Ito si Mr. number 35 for the touchdown pass. Apat yung depensa, dalawa yung opensa. Ito si Mr. number 35. Agawan. Pinwersa ni Mr. number 35. Shot like is good. Down to 11. 10, 9, 8, 7. Ito si Mr. Money on the bank. Reset. Recover to Mr. number 26. In control to Mr. number 3. Kernel Ochoa. Looking for the playmaker. Looking for the back swan. Si Mr. number 1 against number 17. Luis Sabado. Back pedal. Isolation. 3 against 3 now. And a 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 26. Mabibitawan. That's out of bounds. Sabi ni Mr. number 26. Hindi ka tumakbo pare. Bibigay ko lang yun ng maayos. Sabi ni Mr. number 26. De Leon kay Mr. Paul. Sa kabila naman si Mr. number 2. Padahan-dahan. Pagtawid ng bola si Mr. number. Ito si jersey number 35. 15 on a shot clock. Here comes jersey number 2 now. Baseline drive. Leaving the defense and a scoop shot. No. Reset. Topikan recover ni Mr. Kernel Ochoa number 3. Here comes number 17. Sabado pa rin ang may hawak. Ito yung veterano against veterano. Si Mr. number 2. That's a good defense now. And a 15 seconds on a shot clock for the cluster 3 and a ball pig. Down to 13 seconds, down to 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Recover ng jersey number 17. The Electric Man. Here it comes. Sandali pare. Sandali lang. Kunin ko lang yung foul. Foul on number 28. Maagang early timeout ng ating cluster 3. Number 20. Cluster 3 sa kabila. Tatlong timeout pa ng ating Osmeña. Cluster 6.
Si Edsay talaga.
Brings down the letter number 22. Roque. Speed move. Spin cycle. That's a whistle blow tayo. Committed the foul on number. Fastball number 17. Number 17, Luis Sabado first. Rather second on you, Mr. number 17. Second team foul.
Say!
Now in jersey number 28. 40 on a shot line. Here comes number 2 now. 12 to shoot. Down to 11. 10. 9. 8. Shot like is reset. Recover na naman ni Mr. number 26. Napakaraming rebound na ang naibibigay ni Mr. number 26. Cross court. Looking for the give and go. Short. Ito yung recover ni Mr. number 28. Kick out sa labas. Wide open. Lodges. There. Tapikan. Reset to 14 seconds on jersey number 17. Luis Sabado. Down to 12 seconds. 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. And a back shot is good. Jersey number 1. Pinababayaan sa mga shaded area. Si jersey number 1, Makaspag. Official score natin 41. 31. Lumabas sa 10. Ito. That's a whistle for blocking foul. Jersey number 28. Now baseline drive. Lays it off. Now, nandun yung recovery mission number 2 for the reset. Back pedal tayo on jersey number 2 now. 12 seconds on a shot clock. Here comes number 28. Launches now. Kitang-kita nga naman sa ilalim, number 47. Eto, tatlo na yan, Mr. number 47. First team,
Ayan na!
22 out. Okay na ako, Joe. Hindi kang boss. Kahit okay na. 6:35 pa tayo. Now with control naman ngayon kay jersey number 1. Isolation now. Makaspag. 14 on a shot log. Here comes number 17. Down to 12 seconds. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a 24 seconds violation. Last 3, 41, 31. Balik tayo kay jersey number 2. Manuyag in control now. Against number 17. Looking for the isolation. Shot leg is good at 16. Ball pick. Jump step. Down the lane. Pabanda. No. Recover ni Mr. number 26. De Leon. Here comes De Leon. Ito na naman yung guard ni Mr. number 47 to Mr. number 1. Isolation number 2. Backpedal tayo sabi ni Mr. Makaspag now. Makaspag pa rin. Naghintay muna ng kakampi. Looking for the baseline drive. Shot lag at 13. 12. 11. 10. 9. Shot leg is reset. Tapikan sa ilalim. Ito yung number 18. Lays it up now. Reset again to 40. Tumama sa ring. Here comes number 18 now. Back to Mr. number 17. 10 seconds on a shot clock. Number 17. Down to 8. Ito. Intercept the jersey number 35. Ito. Naiwanan si Mr. number 17. Easy basket on number 35. Ron Quillo. Balik tayo kay jersey number. Si Mr. number 47, tatlo ka na Mr. Aguilar. Ito si Mr. number 1.
Uy, uy, uy!
Foul on number 2. Pushing foul. Saan na tayo? Number 17 out. Number 2 para pangalawa. Second team foul pa lang for the cluster 6. Ito yung receiver si Mr. number 26 for the racer. 12 seconds on the shot clock on Mr. Delon. Down to 10, 9, 8. Intercepted now Mr. number 28. Here comes Makaspak. Down the lane to Derecho. Acrobatic shot now. Recover on jersey number. That's a foul on. It was a foul on number 18. Pare. Holding foul on number 18. Team foul number 4 for the cluster 3. First on you, Mr. number 18. Team foul number 4. Ito si jersey number 2. Manuyag, ball fake to jersey number 28. Launches 3-3-3. Yung tawag kanina, nasa ilalim pa yung tawag kaya walang out of shooting sabi ni referee. 4 minutes and 28. Inside pass. And a whistle blow tayo. That's a traveling call. Traveling call ang itinawag kay Mr. De Leon. Score natin. Mr. Manliklik, 41-36. 4:25 remaining. 4:25. Now bring down the leather on jersey number 2, Manuyag. Manuyag pa rin asking for the ball. Isolation play now. Here comes the screen. Down the lane. Ito, AK-47. Shot like is good. Down to 12. 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. And a reset. Big rebound number 35.
Yay!
Ano kita buto?
3:56. Now on jersey number 1. Ito si Mr. number 1, ISO. Leaving the defense na whistle blow tayo. Sa ilalim nakaturo si referee. That's a reaching foul on jersey number 2. Pangatlo mo na yun, Mr. number 2. Third team foul. Sabo na tayo, ref. Number 3 out for the cluster 3.
Hey! Hey!
Number 2 out. Manuyag out ka muna, pare. Inbounding the ball, jersey number 7, number 13, Makaspag. Down to 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Eto, recovery Mr. number 35 now. In control on Mr. number 35 to Mr. jersey number 17, the electric man foul. Looking for the kick out. Labas muna tayo sa Mr. AK-47. Asking for the ball now. 15 seconds on a shot clock. Inside pass. Erga. Demanding on the back. Kick out pass. 10 down on a shot clock. Hesitation. Down to 8 seconds. Down to 7. 6. Pass to the wrong guy. Transition now. Here comes number 1 against Mr. Erga.
Ay!
Ito si jersey number
Walang
13.
foul yun! Walang foul yun!
Balik naman tayo kay jersey number
Tumawag ka
17.
naman!
Isolation. Electric man to Mr. number 28. Too strong. And a good seal on Mr. Nugget number 20. He scored natin 43.
Likod!
46-43 na yan, Mr. Manliklik. Ito si jersey number 1, Pompey. Inside pass, number 20. Yes, sir! 45 to 36. Score natin yung dalawang basket, number 13 and number 20. Balik tayo kay Mr. number 17. Now, jersey number 17 pa rin. Tap of the key. 17 seconds on a shot line. Number 21, Herga. Lotus, digid. Recover on jersey number 18. For the defensive purpose. Ito na yung 2-on-1 situation. Baroka, number 13. Tumigil ng bahagya. Rejected. That's a good defense. Nag-alangan si Mr. number 13. Iniwanan. That's a whistle blow. Committed a foul on jersey number 18. Number 18. Second on you. 28. 30. 35. 13. Penalty tayo, pare. Team foul number 5. 2 shots tayo. Penalty.
Makita?
Second personal foul on you, Mr. Diwa. Second personal foul. First attempt on number 17. Off target. Nawalan ng kuryente si Idol Arwin Paule. Ito, last draw. This time around, shooter's bounce, number 17. Inbounding the ball to Mr. number 20. Ito si jersey number 1 now. Against number 17. Isolation. Sakto lang. 16 seconds on a shot clock. Baseline drive. Spin move. Number 18. Ganda naman ng spin move division number 18. Diwa. Kumukonekta talaga. Exactly 1 minute and 59 seconds gameplay. Now number 2 na. Number 2 for the playmaker for the cluster 6. Asking for the screen on number 4. Here comes number 4 to Mr. number 2. Down the lane. Head and shoulder. 12 seconds on a shot clock. Down to 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. Pabanda. Reset. Ito na yung rebound. Napaka-crucial na rebound. At punta si Mr. number 18. Ito si Mr. number 1. Down the lane. Nakaspak. Lays it over. And that's a whistle blow. 2 shots tayo, sabi ni referee. Foul on number 17. Hacking foul on number 17. Second personal foul. Team foul number 4. Sabi na tayo, rep. 18 out. Eka pa mo lulu para. Eka pa luluwal number 17 ah.
Shoot na ah.
Watang misya din kadua para baka misya din kadua. Eka pa mo luluwal number 17. Lungub ka ba mo pare? O tayo lungubing kadua eka pwedeng magsab. Pasok ka muna idol.
Yep, no. Ay!
Ayun yung sinasabi ko. Eto, wala tayong substitution na mangyayari. 48 to 37 is score natin. Eto si Mr. number 2 now. Down the lane, teardrop, malakas. Recover to Mr. number 2. 1 minute and 20. In control on jersey number 17. Looking for number 17 the Mr. Tap guys, Mr. number 26. Pulling on the shot line. Araw natin sa inyo. Balik tayo kay jersey number 1. Number 17. Here comes number 17. Looking for the figure. 11 seconds on the shot line. Here comes number 1 now. 9 seconds on the shot line. Isolation. 7 to shoot. Down to 6. 5. 4. And a whistle blow.
Ah.
That's a traveling. Sabi na tarap. Dalawang out.
Tina, bawas na, bawi tayo.
Balik tayo kay jersey number 3, Sanggalang down the lane. Extra pass, number 7, McKenna is good. Ito yung si jersey number 17 for the loose ball, 41 seconds. Here comes on jersey number 17. Score natin 48-37. 15 seconds on the shot clock, 32 seconds game lag. Here comes Sabado, isolation. Down to 11 seconds and a crossover. Down to 9 seconds, down to 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and a whistle. Tapikan sa ilalim and a whistle blow sa ilalim. May pito ang ating referee committed a foul on jersey number 12. Number 20 pare, number 20. Penalty tayo. Number 20.
Ulo.
Both team, respective benches muna. Both team, sabi ni Boss Jojo foul eh.
Pamiano kayo mo, ikaw ba? Ya, balang mo, ati ko kakakit ka rin, player.
Clock natin, 16 seconds. Number 12. Number 12, sorry naman. Kaya tinatanong ko eh, number 12.
Sino yung 12? Ah, si Malit. Ayun si Malit ata.
Number 12 yung foul eh. 16 seconds game flag. Fifteen, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sayang.
Sigo na yan, balota na.
Balik tayo kay jersey number 17 for the last and final 10 minutes. Number 17, biglang surprise 3-point shot sa jersey number 17. Pinabayaan ng bigla yung number 17 eh. Meron din shooting sa labas si Mr. Sabado, 51-39. Ito hindi makaabante ang ating cluster 6 sa ating game ball. Si Mr. Rocky naman, paboritong galaw. Favorite spinner, tapigan sa ilalim. Napakatangkad ni Mr. Boyong, number 26. Eto, dinahandahan na lang ni Mr. number 3 ang pagtawid. Total playmaker, jersey number 1. Wakas back, cross-court pass to his teammate number 17. Sabado night pa rin yan. Asking for the ball. And 14 seconds on a shot clock. That's a whistle blow tayo. May tapek si Mr. number 22. Number 22. Second on you, Mr. number 22. First team foul. Reset yan sa 14. Balik tayo kay jersey number 17. Now on number 17, asking for the screen. Down to 12 seconds. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, reset. Rebound ni Mr. number 22. Touchdown pass. Sakto yung pasa. Nandun yung depensa ni Mr. Sabado.
Technical, technical.
Eto, umpisa na ang ating continuation sa ating intercluster. Here comes jersey number 1 against the electric man, si Mr. number 17. Against number 1, the playmaker. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Number 15. 13 on the shot clock. Down to 12. 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And a basket is good in jersey number 1. 8 minutes and 26 remaining for the last and final quarter. Here comes number 2. With him at number 25. Oh, this is big. Number 47. Pang-apat na yun, Mr. number 47. Second team foul.
O yun ang yayakap na yan, no?
Here comes number 17, Sabado Night. Luis Sabado in control against number 2, Manuyag. Ito na yung box 1 defense na 15 seconds on a shot clock. Number 1, top of the key. 13 to shoot. Here comes number 1. Laser up. Defense ang maganda. Magandang depensa sa ilalim. Nasaraduan nga naman ng pinto si Mr. number 1. Exactly 8 minutes to play. Now Manuyag looking for the playmaker number 35. Ito yung number 28. Number 28, gandang give and go. Baseline pass. 12 to shoot. Down to 11. 10. 9. Dunk shot is good. Number 35. Talagang kumukonek na si Mr. number 35 sa mga fade away shot. Here comes number 17. Down number 17 against number 2. Outlet 10. Here comes number 1. Number 1 down the lane. 13 on a shot left. Lucas Sabado. 2 shots. Number 2. Foul on number 2. Okay, warning number 17 for flopping. Si Mr. number 17
Hey!
Number 2 par, apat ka na pala. Mr. number 2. Si Mr. number 2, Manuyag. First attempt ni Mr. number 17 from the 15-foot line is good.
Tignan niyo yung score.
54. 43. 2 out of 2. 729. Here comes jersey number 2, Manuyag. Ito na naman, bumubulusok yung number 2. Teardrop David. Ito yung big rebound ni Mr. number 26, De Leon. Looking for the playmaker. Ito yung discarded ng ating cluster 3. Here comes number 17, asking for the ball. Now number 17, outlet. 16 on the shot clock for the cluster 3. Down to 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Shot lagi si reset. Topic! Magandang tapik. Tip in ni Mr. number 12. Time out mo na. Apat ka na, Mr. CJ Aguilar.
Nasaan ba? Wala.
Balik tayo ka jersey number 35 from Gilio. Looking for estimate number 2. The backup point guard from Gilio. Job fake. High-low play number 28. Reverse. Umbrella defense ang binibigay. Pick up Mr. number 26. Here comes number 15 now. Number 15. Looking for the ball. Number 7 for the outlet pass. Saktong naibigay. 2-on-1. Number 12 Malit. Alio to Mr. number 1. 59-43 score. 6:29 remaining. Number 2 and a crossover, slicing, spin move, down the lane, 2 strong. We call that Mr. number 28. Number 26 Water. Outlet na naman to the playmaker. Here comes jersey number 1.
Tulala kasi.
15 seconds on the shot clock. Down to 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Ayan,
5,
nilalabas na!
4, 3, shot line is reset. Recover ang jersey number 2 now. Outlet pass to Mr. number 35 against jersey number 1. Loses the handle. Ito si Mr. jersey number. That's a foul on number 35, Mr. Ronquillo. Second on you. Warning for penalty. 5:55. Outlet pass. Bitog naman ngayon number 15. Asking for the ball. Here comes number 15 crossing to the mid court. Nakakita ng butas. Dumire-diretso. Fancy pass number 12. Malit. Shot leg is good. Down to 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reset to Mama Swing. Here he comes now. Jersey number 28, Makaspak. To the playmaker, jersey number 2. Here comes number 2. And a crossover. Almost loses. Kick out to Mr. AK-47. Short jumper, perimeter, too strong. 5 minutes 22. Remaining game clock. Looking for the playmaker. Makaspak. Isolation. Maiiwanan si Mr. number 17, the electric man. And that's a good defense. And a 14 seconds on a shot clock. Ito na naman yung number 12. Hinagis na lang. That's a good recover. Mapupunta pa kay jersey number 15. Pompey. Yes sir. Number 15. Score 61 to 43. Lumolobo yung kalamangan. Ito si jersey number 2. Crossover. Down the lane. Double team. Short jumper. Perimeter is good. Kumukonekta yung number 2 sa mga perimeter. 45. 61 score natin. 4:42 remaining.
Minamahal na
Now jersey number 17, Sabado. Sabado na pa rin yan against number 2. Isolation move now. 14 seconds on the shot clock on jersey number 17. Down to 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Whistle blow tayo sa ilalim. That's a whistle blow. 47. Number 47. Graduate ka namin sa number 47. Penalty tayo. Time out muna tayo. Time out for the cluster 3. 4 minutes 23 seconds. Isang time out ka na lang, Mr. Kura. Penalty. Penalty tayo, ref. Penalty.
Ba't hindi muna siya ng time out?
4:23 remaining, 4:23. Shooter's bounce. Ito, kailangan na magmadali ni Mr. Number 2, Manoyag. Top of the key, looking for the kick out. Siya na lang yung pupukol ng downtown. Over the back, turnover for the Cluster 6 basketball. 4:15 remaining. Now in jersey number 1, ring down the ladder against jersey number 17, the Electric Ghana. That's a good defense. Spin move ni Mr. Number. Shot clock is good now. Down to 14, 13, 12. That's a trouble three ball. That's a good call of Mr. Number 15. Matagal nga naman na natili sa kanyang kamay kaya tinawagan ng double dribble si jersey number 15. 24 seconds shot clock. Sabar na tayo. Bitog out. 4 minutes pa tayo, Sir Jeriel Sanggalang. 24 seconds shot clock for the Cluster 6. Malit out ka muna. Exactly 4. Dalawang timeout ka pa pare. Inbound ni Mr. Number 2 to Mr. Number 35. Cuts into it. Fly by. Launches up. Target. Foul number 26. Penalty tayo, idol. First on you, Mr. Number 26. .354 pa tayo. First on the 15-foot line ni Mr. Doy Paula is negative. Last throw, ready for jumper. Mintis nga lang, 3:54 remaining. Ito, nauubusan ng oras si Mr. Number 2. Nagmamadali na kailangan ng pumunta. Sabi ng Mr. Number 2 to Mr. Number 26. Attack in the baseline. Mabibitawan pa ni Mr. Number 26. Cross-court pass. Lazy pass. Intercepted down. Transition. Back pedal. Makas back. Hand up. Give and go. Looking for number 10. Bounce pass. Lazy pass to Mr. Number 10. Yumul. Outlet pass. Pagkakataon makatapyas. Number 28. Yes, sir. Number 28.
Sayang.
3:25. Ito, si Mr. Number 27, libre. Mabilis na puntos. Mabilis na bawi ng 2 puntos. 3:17. Baseline drive. Short jumper number 2. No. Tapik palabas kanino. 3:09. Same ball pa rin tayo. Shot clock is good. 17 pa yung shot clock ng ating Cluster 6. 17 seconds on shot clock. Inbound, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Ito na naman yung sunggot. 3 minutes and 4. Here comes number 1. Cross-court pass. Ito yung diskarte. Alam na yung gagawin ni jersey number 4 to Mr. Number 7, 26 na good. Tapikan na. Ito. Recover na Mr. Number 1. 11 seconds on the shot clock. There's a whistle blow tayo. Kapatid ng jersey number 17. Number 17, pangatlo. Penalty. 2:48. 2 minutes 48 seconds. Yung third game natin, championship match. Veterans. 50 above basket is good on jersey number 17. Score natin 65-47. Last throw is good. 2 out of 2 on jersey number 17. 66-47. 2 minutes and 48 remaining. Now in jersey number 35. Top of the key. Launches. Too strong. Ito yung big rebound ng Mr. De Leon. Humor for the cross court. Pass to Mr. Number 28. Paule. Ito gustong tumapyas ng game clock at shot clock si Mr. Paule. Here comes number 17 for the steal. Recover. Shot clock is good at 12. 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. Ayan, whistle blow tayo. That's a troubling. That's a good call, pare. Nauna pa yung pivot, ha. Yung pivot nahuli, pare. Sayang. 2 minutes 21 seconds. 2 minutes 21. Dalawang timeout pa, pare. 2 minutes 21. Balik tayo kay Mr. Number 2. Ito na naman si Mr. Number 2. Nasaraduan ni Mr. Luis Sabado. Cross-court pass si Mr. Number 35. Lazy pass. Turnover. 2:14. Outlet, libre, walang defense ang bumaba. Eto, money. On jersey number 1, easy basket, 68-47 score. 2:06 remaining game clock natin. 2:06. Now in jersey number 26, Dabu in control. Here comes now number 26. Bang! 3-3-3. Number 26. Last 2 minutes. Now in jersey number 1 against number 26. 152. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Number 1. Shake. Fake. 11 seconds on the shot clock. 10 down on the shot clock. Here comes number 17. Down to 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. Raise it up and in. Jersey number 26. 70
Harap,
to
harap, harap.
50. Eto, there's a whistle blow. Foul on number 10. First on you, Mr. Number 10. Unang team foul. 131. Number 35. Slicing down the middle. Jersey number 35 is good.
Oh, sige, dun ka lang. Ano yun mo, Noel?
127 pa tayo. 15 on the shot clock. 13 on the shot clock. 11 on the shot clock. 10 down on the shot clock. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shot clock is reset. Topic gun. Sabi na tayo, rep. Boyong, labas ka muna, Mr. Number 26. 56 seconds game clock.
Uy, ano na?
56 seconds. Number 2, 3-point shots negative. 51 seconds. Tapusin na natin. Seconds na lang yan. 45 seconds game clock. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 10 down on the shot clock. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 24 seconds violation. 29 seconds game clock. 29 seconds game clock. 29 seconds game clock. 3-point shots off target. Game clock 23, 22, 21, 20 seconds. Okay, congratulations. Advance to the finals, Cluster 3. Yun yung inaabangan. Cluster 3 versus the Cluster 1 for the final matchup. Official score natin, 52 to 70.
Tapos na. We're going home.